Good evening, everybody. My name is Michael Wesner, and I'm the computer programming class instructor at OSTC Southwest. I've been with OS for 3 years now. Before that, I was actually computer programming instructor for Grand Blanc Schools. Before that, I worked in Ypsilanti Schools. Before that, I worked for a local computer company called Peripheral Vision, building and setting up networks, building computers. And then before that, I was also working for a company called 3D Connections, programming what's called a space mouse or space puck, which works in a CAD environment and allows the 3D object to be rotated on all 3-axis X, Y, and Z. And I did some programming of some of the hotkeys and getting it to function within the different CAD environments. So now it's time to make your electives count at OSTC. Students can make the most of their high school experience by discovering their talent and passion in computer programming. All right, we align their learning experiences with technical skills, and they can have a competitive advantage when they leave for college by earning college credits and certifications. At OSTC, we have a tool called the Career Tree, which allows students to identify with specific career options within the field by different levels of education and earning potential. So if you're a student who's interested in a programming associate, web development, that could end up being an entry-level career. If you're looking to start developing, being a project manager, system analyst, software development engineer, well, then we're looking at a professional career with a bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Computer programming is one of the most in-demand jobs with a very easy pathway of making 6 figures shortly after graduating from college. Our curriculum is based off national standards. We have 12 major learning segments. And then on the other side, we also have certifications that we offer. The learning segments on the left helps guide our curriculum so that we're able to build a complete student, not only of learning computer programming fundamentals and concepts, but also how to work and function in the real world with a job. The certifications we offer are many. Some of the more important ones would be the ones MTA with programming of Java, or the HTML5 and CSS3. Currently, we are working on Java in the class with Python. Next year, we plan to transition to HTML5 and CSS. There is a 2-year cycle for the program. And at the end of the cycle, students get a minimum of 5 computer programming languages that they learn. Outside of the certification, students have an opportunity to work on Google certification, become a Microsoft Office specialist, working with Adobe. So they are able to refine their work skills and certifications within our classes. There's many leadership opportunities too with our class. Job shadowing, work-based learning. We offer a club called Business Professionals of America, where we provide real-world experience with them in the classroom. To talk about a little bit about our job opportunities, I'll explain our Accelerate Kid program that we did last year. So with OSTC, I've had, this is my 3rd year. Last year I had my first 2-year students, so that was Matthew Baranick. As I talked to Matthew, he says OSTC has prepared me for college. It has given me hands-on programming experience, and he feels the certifications he's earned has put him ahead of his peers. Matthew's done a great job, and this current picture is when we had a project with a local company called Accelerate Kid, where we went into local classrooms and taught an hour of code. Matthew was one of our students who was the program lead for the hour code and later would apply for a position with Accelerate Kit. I know COVID, it's a very difficult time, and I really do hope that next year we get back to this because this was a really fun and meaningful assignment for all my students. So if you're interested in applying to OSTC, you can go to www.ostconline.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on Apply for the 2021-22 school year. Fill out the required fields to create an account. Use a personal email and take a picture. Choose computer programming and an alternate or no second choice. Submit your application by the priority deadline, which is February 5th, for a better chance of being placed. So that is going to be here with OSTC Online. Questions? Want some information sent to you? Use the camera on your phone and scan the QR code. A Google link will pop up and fill out the form. I look forward, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to having your students in my class.